Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction, fuel efficient, and certified pre-owned. Features also include keyless entry, bucket seats, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Make a great choice today with the 2016 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, aluminum wheels, floor mats, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.